beauties, how are you doing? I am just doing this on the fly. I don't even know how well you can hear me. The wind is blowing. It is about 3:30, 3:40 in the afternoon. It's a Friday afternoon and it's just a beautiful afternoon. It is a little breezy, so it's nice and cool outside, but not like cold. And I walked out and I had my Boxy Charm. So I was like, maybe I could bring you an unboxing from a prettier location. So if I can get into this Boxy Charm, I will do an unboxing for you. So I have the Boxy Charm unboxing for you. It is like the 12th, I believe. Let's see. I feel like it came early this month anyway. Definitely earlier than last month. So let's see what we have in it. Ooh, spa, glamping, sun bath, yoga, slumber, and it has s'mores on the front. It is Boxy Glamping. So let's just see what we have. Oh my, we have some Morphe brushes. I am glad to get those. I love Morphe brushes. Looks like we have some eye ones. Let me see, where is it? Morphe. I got this brush set. Oh, these babes. This is a $12 set. Honestly, these are the best brushes. I mean, I don't know about this set particularly, obviously, because I just got it. But Morphe brushes are so good. When did the street get so dang busy? So these brushes retail for $12. They are a oval shadow brush, pro firm blending crease brush, tapered mini blending brush, and an angle liner brush. I will be very excited to try those out. This is going to be the test of me holding everything. So the next thing we have is a word I cannot pronounce. And this is what the boxing looks like. It is a Summer Glow and Go set, and it retails for $42. It's a must-have mini set to get you perfect summer glow and a petite mini crayons. And you can use this as a highlight stick. Okay, so one of these is a highlight stick. Let's see. So I guess this first one is a highlight stick, a mini blush stick, a mini shadow crayon, and a mini brow pencil. Oh, I'm feeling it now. I could live with that. I'm gonna have to check that out better. So that retails for $42. I'm a little impressed with that, actually. I'm gonna have to look it up online and stuff. So the next thing we have is a Thank Me Later. This is by Elizabeth Mott. This is a cruelty-free primer. Enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day long. This retails for $20. You know how I love primers. This is turning out to be a pretty decent box. This is very odd. So we have something from that same brand, but it's a lip. And this retails for $58. Every shade of the mini matte lip crayon to match every one of your moods. Enjoy velvety build-up color and a weightless matte finish that lasts all day. I have to say, I am a sucker for these. I've used this brand before. I actually have some of the crayons, or one or two actually, and I am here for these colors. These colors are beautiful. I'll let you check them out. And I am here for the Tuscan wine and the chili red. These are definitely staying in my collection. I love these. And then we have, oh, well, look at here. We have my favorite products, a Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. It's an anti-red moisturizer with omega rich cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation. This relieves all the redness and the skin stress, and I will definitely be popping this on my skin because it is all kinds of red. I am so excited to try this. Oh my God. I'm so happy to get this. Thank you, BoxyCharm. I've been wanting to try this. So that is the box for this month. It is like they knew it was my birthday month and they gave me birthday goodies. Thank you, BoxyCharm. It is a great box this month, and I will be using all of these things and giving you a little Instagram shout out when I do. So thank you for watching. I hope you can hear me when I play this back. I'm gonna jump right on it and pop it out there for you guys. So remember, be your own beautiful. Like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little notification if you want to keep up to date with me. Remember, be your own beautiful.